Hi hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add columns on the Google Sheet. For example, I have this Google Sheets and then I want to add just make an example table, column 1, column 2, and then column 3, and so on. Now what if I want to insert another column between A and B column, or between the column 1 and then the column 2? It's really easy. You just click on the B. See, this is the B alphabet on here. Right click on them and then click insert one column left. Now the column C is already moved to the right because I add another column on the left of the before the column next to the column 1. And then if you want to make after this C column or the next one on the right, you can click insert column 1 right. And then that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching.